Welcome to UX Tigers, the home of fearless usability, and Jacob Nielsen's articles. Ever feel like usability testing is this mystical art that only PhDs can master? No, it's straightforward. You give people tasks, watch what happens, and then fix what's broken. Mind-blowing, right? But here's the thing. The difference between a hot opinion soup and insights you can defend in a boardroom comes down to having a solid process. And today, we're talking Jacob Nielsen's 12-step program for usability testing that he wrote up on his UX Tigers website recently. Let's start with the foundation, defining your problem. This isn't about jumping straight to users need a better search bar. That's like prescribing glasses before checking if someone can even see. You need to dig into your support tickets, analytics, and yes, even talk to those stakeholders who've been hoarding data like dragons with gold. The goal? Create a problem statement that's based on evidence, not just Bob from marketing's hunch. Once you know what you're solving, it's time to set some boundaries. Because without clear scope, your study will balloon faster than a startup's feature list. Trust me, scope creep is real, and it's hungry. Write down what you're testing, and equally important, what you're not testing. When someone inevitably asks, "Can we just add one more thing?" you can point to your scope document like it's a sacred text. Now for the fun part, choosing your methods and recruiting participants. And please, don't just grab Susan from accounting because she's available. You need real users, not professional study participants who've mastered the art of qualifying for every questionnaire known to humanity. Only 5 people for qualitative insights, but many more if you're chasing those sweet statistics in a quant study. Here's where most people mess up. They skip the pilot test. That's like going on stage without a rehearsal. Your perfectly crafted tasks might confuse real humans faster than IKEA instructions. Run a practice round, fix what's broken, then start your real sessions. When you're actually running sessions, channel your inner poker player. Stay neutral. Even when users do something so unexpected you want to scream, "What are you doing?" into the void. Just smile, nod, and ask, "What are you thinking right now?" After all that beautiful chaos comes analysis, reporting, and, this is crucial, following up to make sure your recommendations don't die in a backlog somewhere. Because research without implementation is just expensive theater. The secret? Make this a cycle, not a one-time event. Schedule your next study before the current one's even cold. That's how you build a culture where decisions are based on evidence, not whoever speaks loudest in meetings. Remember, folks, user testing isn't hard. It's just watching people use stuff and fixing what hurts. Follow Jacob's 12-step process, and you'll turn chaos into clarity, one confused user at a time.
Like this video, and subscribe to Jacob Nielsen's newsletter at UX Tigers to get his newest hot takes every week.